I'm Joan from Slaughterbeck Floors, and today we're here to talk about pre-finished versus finished in place floors. Customers of ours, their eyes always glaze over when we talk about pre-finished versus finished in place. What does that mean? So we're going to explain the difference today for you. Pre-finished means it comes out of the box. This is an example of a pre-finished floor. It comes out, it can either be nailed, glued, or floated, depends on the application, and you can walk on it right away. You're limited by the manufacturer's decisions on board width, color, etc., how much distressing, etc. Finished in place means the wood comes in a variety of widths. This happens to be 2 1/4. It can come wider, and you have freedom in terms of color because we can stain this custom and we put finish on it. However, a finish in place floor you can't walk on right away because it's got to acclimatize, and then we sand it and finish it. So we become partners with you probably 3 to 4 weeks depending upon the size of the job, from the beginning to the end of the job.